Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. This is, let's see, I'll show you what it is. Oops, I totally knocked it off over here. It says, oh, nothing there. Totally uncompresses. And it is a lovely long sleeve shirt. We will try this on here. Let's see if I can try it on. I will take off my shirt and try this on just directly here. Let me see, I got a microphone on there. So I think I have a size large. And this is it. It's a black shirt with a nice little pocket on there, and it's got a cool collar on it as well. Let's see, where's my microphone? No idea where my microphone went there. It is. So I will continue here. Okay, so we have it here. I can button this up a little bit so I'm not quite so showy. I don't know where my little fuzzy part went from my microphone, but here you can go. I'm about 190 pounds and about 5'10", so you can have an idea of what this looks like based on that. Here, I'll rotate around so you can see the back of it here as I'm putting the microphone back on. Okay, so here we go. So that's how it looks. It goes down about top of my butt, I guess you could say here. And the sleeves are really nice and long. They're not cuffed or anything like that, so they're gonna, it will slide up a little and down, but it's good. It's a nice look and feel. I like the way it's got that pattern on it. Let me move closer to y'all so you can see. It's got this like pattern going on here and here. A little bit of a Western flair, I guess you could say. Am I gonna be able to turn this? Yes. Okay, so here you can kind of get an idea of it. It's a fairly slim fit, I guess you could say. It's kind of a little bit tight on my belly there. But I'm about 5'10" and 190 pounds, so you can get an idea of how it looks. Feels good. I mean, you might want to iron it or something like that to get a little bit, some of the wrinkles out, or just wash it. But it feels good. Let me see, does it say what it's made of here? Here is the little tag. It says it's 20% rayon, 75% polyester, and 5% spandex. So it's got some of that spandex in there, so I could go and eat and go to the buffet and eat all I want. But look at that, it's nice. Black is always kind of slimming and stuff, so this is a good shirt to wear out when I want to look nice and not look so fat or anything like that. So it's really good. I guess I'm wearing black shorts, so you can't really see exactly where it goes, but it goes to right there. So I like it. So thumbs up for sure, really nice shirt.